when you returned from maternity leave, there was a lot of conversation about your spot on the Breakfast Club with Loren Lorosa.
Yes.
Feeling it. So you were feeling a way, but now with hindsight, like, can you tell us about how you approached it, but in hindsight, how would you approach it differently?
So I approached it. Only thing I would change is going online. I'm telling you for real. The only thing I would change is going online because I didn't know enough about Loren Lorosa at the time. You know what I mean? I thought that she knew. I will definitely say my anger was misplaced. I was mad at her. I couldn't stand her for a while. And I was like, damn, and I felt betrayed. And it ain't like she was my friend or anything. But like, I loved what she does. I love what she do. You know, she's a journalist. I'm not. I'm a comedian. I do commentary on headlines and things like that. I'm there for the comic relief. And so like she is serious about her job. She comes from TMZ and all that. So I was like, I want her to sit in my spot for maternity leave. But when I came back, I promise, like nobody had said anything, like, and she was still there.
Yeah, you was like, why
you know what I'm saying? Right. So I'm like, damn, what's going on, you know? And so I was asking, I'm like, yo, it just seems like, I felt like they were trying to push me out. I felt like I was trying to be replaced. And then after a while, that feeling eventually went away of me being replaced. Cause I was like, no, I can see two women on the show for sure. But it was the way they did it. And not that they owe me anything, because what I realized in like corporate and just any job period, they don't got to tell you anything.
Absolutely not.
They do not have to tell you anything.
And technically you were new to the situation.
And I, very new, and I was in my feelings and I was upset. And me and Charlamagne are close, and me and Envy had gotten close. When I started, when I got the job, we had gotten close, and I'm like, damn, y'all ain't what's going on. They didn't really know what was going on either, but I just felt like they were keeping things from me. And so I went online and I did the thing. I did
the Jess Hilarious
thing, right? And then I go to work like my badge gonna work the next day. And I didn't even get to try the badge because Charlamagne was right there at the elevator like, nah, come on, bring your goofy ass in here. He gave me a hug. And then he was like, we gonna have this conversation, and then we did it on air. Yeah, so how I would
so you almost got fired for your going online and saying stuff?
No, to be honest, no, I didn't.
Well, you said your badge wasn't working.
No. I went in. I had the audacity to still go into work like my badge was supposed to work. Because that was because when you look back at the live, it's like, ain't no way she still got that job.
Right.
And that's what I was thinking too. As soon as I ended the live, I was thinking that. I was like, you know what? I'm probably not going to be on the radio no more.
Shouldn't have did that.
Yeah. But so I went and like I said, I was going to try my badge, but Charlamagne happened to be walking in with me at the same time. So I didn't even have to try my badge because he got us through. But yeah, but how I would approach it now, I ain't gonna lie, it would be the same way. It just wouldn't be online. It would be with them, all of them in the room.
Yeah.
Like we would just do it offline, off air. Because it was nobody's business, to be honest. But I'm like, damn, it looks crazy to me. And not only me, the world was validating me a little bit. Like, hold up, I know I ain't crazy. And I know they say stay out the comments, but like, I was already feeling that way. And then to be validated by the fans and followers, not only mine, but others. I was like, all right, yeah. They was like, we ride at dawn. But then I was like, damn, y'all don't work with me. So I got to go in here and there's 3 of them and there's 1 of me.